Hey Mike, and everyone over at AA Plus Lawn and Landscape. My name's Christian. I'm with Ring and SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this video for you, give you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence, make some more money, hopefully here. So, three things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. Content first is not just the words on your website. It's also the pictures on your website, how those pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So, first of all, we recommend 1,500 words minimum on any service page or head page that you are trying to rank. You do have some good content here. This is nicely laid out, but you definitely need some more words. I'm going to go ahead and say you probably have between 400 or 500 words. So go in here next time you get a chance, add some more words. It's only going to help you. Content is king in the eyes of Google, and the more content you have that's relevant, that with buyer intent keywords, is just going to show you as more trustworthy and reputable in Google's eyes, and it's going to bring you up to the top. So a buyer intent keyword, what that is that is a service followed by a location, or a location followed by a service. So Williamston landscaping, landscaping in Williamston. Those are buyer intent keywords. Those are the type of words you're going to want to save your pictures as, and you're also going to want to have in your content. And that's going to help you for sure. So next time you get a chance, go ahead and just put some more content in here. Also do that for all your service pages that you're trying to rank. And if you're not trying to rank them, you're still going to want between 500 and 750 words on each of these pages. Make sure you don't plagiarize and you write your own. Next, we have citations. So this is what we like to call a map pack. This is Google's tool to help customers find businesses locally based on criteria such as citations. Citations are anywhere that your business name, address, phone number is listed anywhere throughout the web in various directories. So Facebook, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Anywhere that your information for your business is listed is going to give you a citation. The more citations you have, the more reputable you're going to seem with Google, and the higher up you're going to be on this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in landscaping, Lansing, Michigan, and you guys did not show up. So go ahead and do your best, research a little bit, find out what citations are, and do your best to get some more of those. That's going to help you move up in this map pack. Now, I do have your map pack pulled up here, Lawn and Landscape. One thing I'm noticing is that you don't have very many pictures. So we tell everybody you're going to want 10 pictures minimum. So when you get a chance, go in, add some more pictures, 10 minimum, and make sure that those pictures are saved as buyer intent keywords. One good one would be landscaping, Lansing, Michigan. So go in, add some pictures. The more pictures you have, the more content you have, the better you're going to be in the eyes of Google, the higher up you're going to be in those rankings. So like I said, 10 pictures minimum. Also, these Google reviews, I do show you have 11 5-star Google reviews, and that's really good. But we recommend 25 minimum. So the more reviews you have, the higher up you're going to be in that map pack. So just keep pushing those reviews. Finish a job or whatnot, just keep pushing those reviews. Very important here. Everything else looks good. Hours, phone number, website, looks good. Everything else looks good. So just next time you get a chance, add some more photos. Make sure they're saved as buyer intent keywords, and then keep pushing those reviews. Lastly, we have backlinks. So a backlink is just anywhere on the web that your business website is listed. And so what this is here, this is a rating, 0 to 100, your URL rating and your domain rating. And so these are supposed to be right around a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you have a 17 UR, you're going to want it right around a 17 DR. And that's not the case here. So our DR is very low. And what that's telling me is that of these 70 backlinks that you have from these 17 referring domains, they're picking them up as being spammy. So you want to make sure that where your website is listed is reputable and relevant. So we're a landscaping company. We want to be on landscaping sites. We don't want to be on wish.com selling furniture, because it's going to show as spammy, not relevant, and it's going to be not as trustworthy. So the more backlinks you have, the better. So do some research and do your best to get as many backlinks as you can in relevant websites, and that's going to help you rank organically. Finally, this is organic keywords. So as you can see here, you have about 26 keywords, 28, sorry, and we're definitely could use some help in this area. So none of these that I'm showing are you in the first position. So we definitely have some work to do with your content, but right here, so landscaping, Lansing, Michigan, that's 150 volumes. So 150 people type in Lansing, landscaping, Lansing, Michigan every month, and you're in the 29th position. So that's page 2, page 3. You're not pulling up in the map pack, so you're definitely losing out on some business there. Lawn care, Lansing, Michigan, that's another 100. We're in the 48th position. And even here, A+ landscape, which is half your name, there's 200, and we're in the 52nd position. So you definitely have some work to do with the content. Just do some research, and if you take these pointers I give you and take the time, I guarantee you that you will increase your online presence, and it's going to help you out dramatically. So I hope this video finds you well, and I hope you have a good 2021. Would appreciate the feedback. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Thanks.